Hi my beloved friends, ciao a tutti, especially all the gluten-free people out there. Today I've got the perfect recipe for you. Oh yeah, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a super chocolatey cake with moist interior and light delicate crust, la torta caprese. Here's what you'll need. 200 grams of softened butter, which is about 1 3/4 of stick. 200 grams of almond flour, which is about 2 cups. 200 grams of powdered sugar, which is about 1 2/3 of a cup. 5 eggs and 200 grams of dark chocolate, which is about 7 ounces. Let's start from the chocolate. If you have a chocolate bar like me, place it in a cutting board and chop it in small pieces. Now that we have our chocolate into a bowl, we have to melt it. We're going to use the method of bagno Maria. That means placing the bowl over a pan with a couple of fingers of water. Make sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. When the chocolate begins to melt, use a spatula to mix it. If you want to be super accurate, use a thermometer to make sure the chocolate temperature doesn't go above 45 Celsius, which is about 130 Fahrenheit. Once the chocolate is melted, leave it there to cool down slightly. Meanwhile, take your very soft butter and your powdered sugar. This is the consistency that we want. Mix it together until it's creamy and smooth. Now that is homogeneous, use a mixer to make it airy inside. Perfect. Now that is light and hairy, we are going to separate the yolks from the whites. Take a big bowl and a small bowl. Here we are going to place the eggs white, and here we are going to put the yolks. Okay, let's start. Now add the yolks one at a time, mixing well after each addition. 1. And the last one. It's time to fold the melted chocolate inside the butter. Nice and slow. Help yourself with a spatula to take all the butter on the sides. Now it's time to preheat the oven at 170 Celsius degree, which is about 340 Fahrenheit. Okay, now that we have our butter ready, we can start by whipping the eggs white. Take a spatula and add some of this eggs white into the butter. Mix it really gently from the bottom to the top. Now it's also time to add some of the flour. I'm going to add all this butter into the big bowl. With small movement, try to mix this all. Now put the flour. The butter is ready. Take a round baking pan and grease it with butter or oil. Here it is. Pour the butter in. Use a spatula to level the cake. And here it is. Bake for 30 minutes at 170 Celsius, which is about 340 Fahrenheit degree, in static mode. Oh my god, smells so good! Can you believe this is gluten-free too? Pure magic! Should I taste it? I think so. But first, I have to sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. Let's slice it. And voila! Super delicious! Now, I'm gonna try this. Damn, bro! If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to my channel and tell me what's the next Italian dessert you would like to try. Ciao ciao! Questa è una torta napoletana, check.